Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the ZUKRAVE Multicolor 6155 makeup kit, a 19-piece set that's got everything you need for a full glam look all in one box. Let's dive into this beauty haul and see what it's all about. First up, the 7 black makeup brushes. They're soft, stylish, and perfect for applying everything in this kit. I use the fluffy one for powder and the smaller ones for eyeshadow, no shedding, and they blend like a dream. Next, the lipstick. It's a bold shade with a creamy finish that stays on for hours. I'm loving this pop of color. The makeup fixer is a spray that locks everything in. I tested it and my look stayed fresh even after a long day. The primer is smooth and lightweight. It preps my skin so well, making my foundation glide on effortlessly. Speaking of foundation, it's got decent coverage and a natural finish, not too heavy, just right for everyday wear. The contour stick is creamy and easy to blend. I sculpted my cheekbones and it gave me that chiseled look in seconds. Now the 3-in-1 eye combo, it's eyeliner, mascara, and brow gel all in one. Super convenient, and the black is so intense it makes my eyes pop. The 36H Kajal is next. Jet black, creamy, and long-lasting. I lined my waterline and it didn't smudge even after hours. Finally, the Beauty Blender, soft, bouncy, and blends my foundation seamlessly. A total must-have. This kit is packed with goodies. There's also an eyeshadow palette with multicolor shades from nudes to bolds, perfect for any vibe. It's not high-end. Some shadows are a bit chalky and the brushes aren't pro-level. But for the price, it's an amazing deal for beginners or anyone wanting a complete set. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full look with this kit. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think of this ZUKRAVE set or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching.